What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Ebrahim Mbokazi over here. Hope everybody's doing well out there. And to all my hustlers, I hope everybody's hustling hard out there. So I've been trying a whole lot of different strategies. I've been trying a whole lot of different stuff. And there's something that came to perspective when I was thinking. I was looking at the share prices of companies and looking at the advantages of actually buying them and selling them at a later stage, looking at how low the price, basically how low or how cheap they are at this moment. And then I came to look at the DC10. The DC10 basically is a token that's comprised of 10 cryptocurrency. Basically, it's based off the top 10 cryptocurrencies. So if you want to know what's the 10 cryptocurrencies, you can just go to Coin Market Cap, and then you can just check out the top 10 cryptocurrencies. So basically, the DC top 10 is based out of that. So I was looking on actually buying and more basically going into that at this moment, and I was looking a way to actually start figuring how can I actually trade it on the EasyEquity platform. Basically just buying 1 week, sell the next week, and so like short-term basically investment, because everybody takes EasyEquity as an investment platform whereby you can also like make a weekly trade out of and make some good profit and get out of it. So like I'm using the strategy on this EC10 token right here that you can see on my desktop. And if you want to know what's the top 10 cryptocurrencies, you can just go here to CoinMarketCap. You will see what's the top 10 cryptocurrencies. So you have to be knowledgeable about cryptocurrencies and understand cryptocurrencies for you to actually get involved in all this. But without any further ado, why this like my point on making this video is the way you can actually trade this. I like how it works, how the volatility actually goes. Looking at the chart, you can actually see like the ups and downs, whereby if you bought here, you'd have sold out somewhere here, and then you've bought somewhere in here and buy like that. So I've been trying this for a couple of weeks and for a couple of months during the course of this year, and it's really been working, and I've really been making more bucks or more money on this than buying and selling shares. So I thought I should just share this out. The way I use it, it's just pretty much simple, straightforward. It's all technical analysis at first. Like I need to know exactly what's happening in the market and how it's going to turn out for me. So at this moment, I have already bought into this token. As you can see over here, I have already bought it, and now I'm already sitting on plus 8.9% profit. So that's approximately like 10 bucks from the investment that I have put in. But that's a very good return within 1 week. That's a very good return. So now I'm looking at the chart over here on trading view, and one thing that I'm seeing over here is that okay, now we're going into whereby the market is just going flat. It's consolidating. So as you can see over here, it's consolidating. This whole part over here, it's just consolidating. Though one thing that I can say is that I can see the market that it's going to move either one way or the other way. That means it's going up or it's going down. So as a person, as a trader or a person who understands the market, you should always be aware of stuff like this. That is the market going up or is the market going down? And technical analysis really helps. And that's where technical analysis really comes in, because you can actually analyze the chart, and then from there you can actually determine your decisions on basically what chart has told you. So as I'm looking at this chart, it's either it's going down or it's going back up. That's the only area that it's going. It's either it's going up or it's going down. What I'm doing, I'm applying the same strategies on my trading, same strategies I'm applying also on my DCX10 tokens that I'm buying and selling, because it's the same market. It's the same market. There's no difference. It's the same market, up and down, up and down. They follow the same chart. So you can actually diversify your money from your trading account and to your EasyEquity account. So you can actually trade cryptocurrency separately, just by cryptocurrency and a USD pair, or you can also trade it here on the EasyEquity platform, which is straightforward and simple, like I said. So I can have an option whereby I can just set a sell order right here. I can set a sell order right here. That will only happen for on my trading account. But okay, for EasyEquity, you can also go into a chart like this and actually analyze, be like, okay, if it's actually starting to drop, obviously I'm going to sell this. I'm going to come here and sell this and take my profit, whatever profit that I have. But if it decides to shoot up, I'm going to let it run. I'm going to let it run with it, because why? I'm making more money. That's profit for me. So this is one of the ways that I'm actually using to trade my DCX token. At least a week I make approximately 8 to 10% profit. That means if the market is doing well or it's not consolidating, as long as it's going up or it's going down, I am always there to capture that moment. So if you are also interested in learning like some other ways that I actually do trade or do like buy and sell some stocks, hit me up on my social medias. Like, yo, inbox me. I'm available to answer, talk from there onwards. But from me, I'll see you on the flip side.